Bamboo wood, the rapid growing not wood. Let's see what kind of existential crises we can create today. Starting it off with weapons, I see. You're lucky we're getting close to the end here, huh? Well, guess I'll grade it. Honestly, kinda lethal. Not sure if it's a backyard toy or a minimalist threat. You washed it, you torched it, and now it's come out rustic and slightly vengeful. And here's a bamboo bow and arrow. Someone must have watched Braveheart and said, "Me too." He shot that balloon like it was a final boss. Genuinely impressed and mildly alarmed. Every curve, every detail? Grandpa has an unmatched level of skill. And he did that all by hand, no machines. Incredible. A clock made from sticks. Literal sticks. It's giving modern art student with too much glue vibes. But hey, at least it tells time. Maybe? Whoa, a whole bamboo house. They're out here crafting real estate with sticks while this guy can barely craft IKEA furniture without crying. Alright, I've officially inhaled enough sawdust for the day. If you need me, I'll be out back chopping wood. Then I might go collect some water.